Wednesday, 3rd of July, another sunny day on the Sunset Cruise. Another big one, I'm Shabba. Watch out ladies, here I come. Bang!
Ayia Napa.
went to a bar crawl.
But the only thing that would make your holiday
was
is
the
the
fantasy
fantasy
boat
boat
party.
party. It is fucking awesome.
Yeah.
The DJ is a legend.
It is
Go
the
to it.
most,
You
the
have
most,
to go to it.
the most insane thing ever.
You
Absolutely
will.
crazy.
If you don't go to this, you'll regret your holiday. It's the best night.
It is the high
ever
point
in
of my
Ayia
life to
Napa.
date. Highlight of your
That's
holiday.
it.
You will
It's
absolutely love it.
unbelievable.
I may as well
Trust us.
die right now because it's just going downhill.
So smooth, so nice and